Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Type c : then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.